Are you fed up of having dull headlights like this? Check out this video to find out more about the new N99 HB3 headlight bulbs from NOVSIGHT. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2019 Toyota Hilux. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about a product from NOVSIGHT, and it is the N99 series HB3 super bright LED headlight bulb replacement. Now if you're like me and you do a lot of nighttime driving, you'll know how important it is to have good lighting. And as you can see, the original headlight bulbs that come with the car are really orange and dull. Now, funnily enough, the dipped beams on these are an HID bulb and they're really bright and also very white in colour. So when you actually put on the high beams or the full beams, you actually notice they're not that bright and you actually get a bit of an orange glare. So that's why I wanted to upgrade the bulbs. And as you can see, the N99 series bulbs from NOVSIGHT are super bright and matching in colour as well. Now in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and then I'm actually going to show you how to fit them to the car. It's super easy, everyone can do it. All you need is a free hand and you can do it without any tools at all. Now I will then go ahead and show the difference of nighttime, both with the original light bulbs and also the new ones. So now we're just going to be unboxing the product and seeing what comes in the package, as well as comparing it to an original bulb. So this is the original bulb off the car, and on the back it says it's a HB3 9005, which is obviously comparable, but this is 12 volts at only 60 watts, whereas these are 12 volts at 100 watts. So what I'm going to do is just open this up, show you what comes in here, and then I'll talk through some of the specifications as well. So first thing you notice, it comes with a little instruction manual. Now this is the same instruction manual for a couple of different models. So we've got this one here, which is the HB3 9005, and that's the process to follow. This is for a different option. And then this is just a reminder about the orientation of the bulb. And it is important that you get the orientation correct, otherwise the light won't distribute in the correct way. Now just on the back, it does give you some warranty information. Now this does come with a 2-year warranty, and then we've got some of the specifications there, but I'll put up that on the screen in a second. Let's get one out. So like I say, these are 100 watt at 12 volt, really well made. These are actually an Aviation grade aluminium, and they're really well built. They've got a nice rubber seal there in the middle just to get a nice seal in the light, and they've actually got a cooling fan just on the back there. And then you'll notice just on the back, you've actually got the model number again, is HB3 9005. So to compare to the other one, similar in size, they are a little bit chunkier, and that's because it has got this heat shroud and the cooling fan on the back. But you can see there that the mounting plate is obviously the same, and the diameter is the same as well, so it's going to fit into your headlights. Now I'm just going to recite some of the specifications. So these are for colour, they're 6,500 Kelvin, and that's the colour temperature. I would imagine this one here is probably about 3,500 or maybe 4,000, because it's quite an orange light. So that 6,500 Kelvin is going to give us quite a white light, which you see in the intro. They're IP68 rated, which is the waterproofing. The life expectancy for these is 50,000 hours, which is typical of an LED bulb. And the lumens is 24,000 lumens, so super bright, with the 100 watt power out and the illumination of 1,200 feet. So certainly far enough for a high beam on a car. So changing the bulbs on this car couldn't be any simpler. So they give you a nice load of space. And just to point out which ones are your high beams, they're the ones in the middle there, and this is your dipped or low beams. And as you can see, it's a HID style, whereas this has got your more traditional bulb. So that's why we can replace them. Now just to show you the location on both sides, hopefully you'll be able to see, just down there you can see a white ring. So that is actually our bulb position. Sorry, it's a bit hard to show. There you go. And we've just got an electrical connection on the back there as well, so it's just come into focus. But what I'll do is I'll actually show you on the other side of the car, because it'll probably be a little bit clearer on the video, just to show you the same arrangement, main beam, dipped beam, and it's just tucked in there. So like I say, lots of space for you to get your hand in. Now first off, just make sure you haven't had the lights on for a while, because they will get really hot. So you want to make sure they're nice and cold before you start doing this, and also keep the ignition off and the lights off when you're doing this. So we're just going to go ahead and push our finger in the bottom tab there and pull off the electrical connection. These can be a bit tricky, but it's just that tab there. You've got to push it in with your nail, and that will operate that lever and allow you to pull that off. And then we can just go ahead, get the bulb, give it a little bit of a turn, and then pull it out like that. we go ahead, get our new NOVSIGHT bulbs, slide it back in exactly the same orientation, and again give that a bit of a turn so it locks in, and then we can just go ahead and get the electrical connection on until it clicks. There you go. Okay, so we're now driving down a very dark country lane with no street lights. Just got our dipped beam on now, and as you can see, it's a very nice white light, probably around that 6,000, 6,500 Kelvin. But when I actually turn on my main beams or full beams, it's a very orange light, and that's because they're only about 3,500 Kelvin. So we're now back out on exactly the same stretch of road. We now have our NOVSIGHT bulbs installed for the high beams. So what you're looking at now is just the dipped beams, but when we go to high beams, wow, that is a lot brighter, and you'll actually notice the color now matches as well, and they're super bright and super white. So overall, really impressive. Now I'm going to obviously leave these in the car, so if you have any questions about the bulbs themselves or their performance, do just yell out in the comments below and I'll make sure I get round to answering them. So here's my final thoughts on these N99 super bright LED bulb from NOVSIGHT. I absolutely love them, and they're definitely going to be staying in my car for a long time. Now, as you will have seen in the video, they are super bright, but they also give a really uniform spread of light and colour as well, which is exactly what you want from a bulb. They're direct replacement, a very similar size, and they are much better than the original bulbs. Now, I did look today at the pricing on these, and they're about $89 on the NOVSIGHT's direct website. However, they're always doing deals on there, and I will leave a link in the description below so you can check out what deals are on at any point in time. Now, when you're on there, you'll also notice they sell lots of other products like this one here. I've actually got a 12-volt starter jump pack and pump that they've sent me that I'm going to also make a video review on, so make sure you stay tuned on my channel for that. So if you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.